If we love yoga, we must know what is the foundation, and here I'm to help you to know about all the foundation, because it's not possible to learn the Sanskrit or the Indian language or to know about all the traditional books. So the conclusion is Patanjali Yoga Sutra course is start now, and I'm here to give you some simple videos. So because foundation is very important, and you can see this video how can improve your knowledge, who is Patanjali, what is Yoga Sutra, and then we go in detail about the each sutra by sutra, chapter by chapter. So there are so many knowledge to learn about, and there are more understanding about our inner peace, how we can find inside. So this is the course that you can join and you can learn, and it's very interesting because yoga something I love because of the body and mind can make balance together. So let's enjoy this video, and after that don't forget to let me know the comment. So let's begin our course. So who is Patanjali? So Patanjali Yoga Sutra, this is the the great concept in the world to understand the yoga as it is. So who is Patanjali? The Patanjali is a great saint. He's a great monk in India. He born in 200 years before Jesus Christ. He has short life, but he has great value adding in the world. In his 50 years of life, he worked on classical knowledge such as traditional Sanskrit grammar. He worked on yoga, and he also worked in Ayurveda. So 3 subjects he worked. So over there we also have in the Sanskrit text that we pray to Patanjali that yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirasya cha vedyakena. It means yoga chittasya padena vacha. So yoga make our mind peaceful. Padena vacha. Sanskrit grammar make our speaking abilities better. And malam sharirasya cha vedyakena. Malam is mean the dirty in the body, in the physical level, so we can detox from the Ayurvedic knowledge. So I pray to my teacher Patanjali, who give this all great knowledge and information in the world. So that's why we pray Patanjali. That's why we respect the Patanjali, because Patanjali, he is really very, very great monk, or we can say the great Maha Yogi. So in his career, he never think about the business. He always think about to share, to give, to love, to protect the people from the dark energy. So he is the best monk in India at that time. So right now, after he passed away, since almost like 2100 years plus this time, his knowledge is still working with our understanding, in improving our mind, improving our conscious. So that's why we respect the Patanjali, and Patanjali is a great saint. His spirit, his knowledge is still with us right now. That's why we need to think that he is never died yet. Every yogi never die. They just come in the world, the spirit, and they help the people, and they go back in their spiritual world. So that is the first introduction of the Patanjali. Second video, we're going to think and going to understand what is Yoga Sutra. So keep in touch and see you soon in the next video. Welcome back. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you really enjoy this video, please give me comment, and I will be very happy to see your comment and reply, because the foundation is Yoga Sutra. If we have this all the knowledge of Yoga Sutra in our life, then you can enjoy. This is just a simple video that you have understand about who is Patanjali and how it's work with us in our regular life. So it's very important, and it gives us more understanding and more awareness for our life. So if you are interested to join this Patanjali Yoga Sutra online course, please feel free to direct message me in my page or in wherever you are watching this thing. So feel free to see the description up or down, so you can have better connection, and I can see how I can help you. So have a good day and have a beautiful soul around the world. Namaste.